Andreas, how's it going?
Not too good.
What you doing? What you doing?
Trying to get tape off my hand.
Why are you doing that?
Because I got taped up by Amanda and Daniela.
And who are they?
Some psycho girls.
Oh, really? I heard they were really cool.
Did you hear that from?
Your mom?
Alright. Mommy knows best. Ow. Ow. It hurts.
Andreas, stop moving.
Ow. Isn't there like scissors or something?
Should I take it off now?
No, let's let him shoot through it.
No, that's gonna hurt his teeth.
No, stop it. I
Amanda!
want to see him shoot through it.
It's gonna hurt his teeth.
Wait, before you chew through it, say, Happy baby shower, Anna.
Happy baby shower, Anna.
That's it.
Happy baby shower, Anna.
She's not paying attention to you.
Happy baby shower.
Hold that. No, let him shoot through it.
You know what?
This is all like minty from my gum. Thank you.
I'm gonna say no.
Oh my gosh.
Put it on your shirt so you can...
You asked too much.
You know what, Andreas? You know what?
What?
Shut up.
Shut up.
Sorry.
That's my belt.
No, we ain't. It's man. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Right to the point.
Now go throw that away.
Where's the garbage?
And the tape in your pocket.
Yeah, right there.
And some of
Quit
it.
it.
Go throw that away.
This too.
And a piece of gum that's all smushed.
Ew.
Not eat it? Okay, now go throw that away. And the...
In the white garbage can in the kitchen.
Where's the